So to check the processing and gameplay, I have installed Free Fire, and I'm not a regular gamer, but just to check how it processes the gaming. So I found no lag, and it was working. New phone which I have purchased. This is a brand new Vivo V27, 5 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. So I found this phone really useful, and it has a lot of features that even iPhone in this range can never provide. So the camera feature is really good, and it provides you great artifacts and colors in any kind of situation. Video from the same front camera. So front camera is again 50 megapixel, and rear camera is also 50 megapixel, along with two more cameras. So this is really useful in terms of usage and processing. So it has octa-core processor, and the latest Android, which is Android 13 Fun Touch. Okay, so as you can see, it gives you a very nice presence, and the video quality is also very good. So this I was explaining about the selfie camera, and I've already included the portion for the main camera. So please subscribe if you want to have knowledge about more such videos, and thanks for watching.